coach. Officially official, we talked to you all season long. How does it finally feel to now be able to wear that Bucs pin and be the head coach of Hoover High School?
It feels amazing. And listen, I said my family is completely humbled and honored to be in this position. We don't take it lightly. The Lord has guided our path, and we can't complain as long as we're obedient. And so we're in a position, a great position at a great school, and so with great kids, with a great staff, with a great opportunity. And so we want to be good stewards of that and make sure we're working hard to reach our goals.
It was mentioned, too, that you had a season-long interview, which is very rare. What do you think about the interview process? Did you feel any pressure during the season where maybe something like that was going on throughout this year?
Listen, there's always pressure at Hoover. There's always pressure to go out there and perform at an elite level, and I thought we did that for most of the year, and that gives credit to the students or to the players and the coaches. So I can't say enough about the team that we had this year and what they were able to accomplish. And yeah, it's a unique opportunity to go out week to week. But once we got in it, I didn't necessarily think about, do I need to keep my job or earn a job? It was more about like, hey, let's try to go win football games and do the best we can. And for the most part, I felt like the staff and the team did that.
You mentioned that you want to take this program up 3 notches. What does that look like for you guys until we talk to you maybe in the beginning of August?
Yeah, all the layers, the weight room, the film room, the knowledge of the game, academically, you name it, every aspect of our student athlete, we're gonna make sure that we ramp it up, and that goes through not just saying it, that goes through hiring a new strength and conditioning coach, that goes through making sure our guys have tutors when they need them, it goes through making sure we break down film and grow during the off season, so when August does come, we're ready to play.
My last question is to you, is that you made a promise to community maybe to go into the feeder programs and really build that up. How important is that when you're trying to build a culture here with this new era of Bucs football?
It is. Hoover's a big place. We have a huge school system. And so what we want to do is be a big-time program with a small-town feel. And what I mean by that is, like, I'm going to be there on Saturdays or on Tuesday nights when the youth play. I'm going to be at the middle school games. And that's a point of emphasis for me, is making sure I connect with those groups. And not just me, but our football program. I want little Bucs to come to Friday night football games with their shirts on, dreaming about the day that they get to go out there and play at the greatest stadium in the country, in the Met. So I'm excited to have that opportunity to make sure that we're fostering these young players so they one day can win championships here.
Coach Ingles, congratulations, the new head coach, officially official of Hoover High School. With that being said, guys, I'll send it back to you in studio.